Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Tech Review Haven. Today we will provide the honest review about the iPhone 15 Plus mobile. Apple has done it again, sending waves of excitement with the release of the iPhone 15 Plus. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. People are lining up, eager to get their hands on the latest and greatest from Cupertino. Is the iPhone 15 Plus all hype, or does it live up to the expectations? Let's dive in and find out. And if you're already convinced, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Let's talk specs. The iPhone 15 Plus is packed with features that make it stand out in the crowded smartphone market. The iPhone 15 Plus boasts a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. This display is not just large, but it also offers an incredibly sharp resolution, making everything from text to images look crisp and clear. This means vibrant colors, incredible clarity, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, playing games, or just browsing the web, the display ensures everything looks stunning. Battery life is always a concern, but Apple claims the 15 Plus has their longest-lasting battery in a Plus model yet. This means you can go through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. Under the hood, you'll find the powerful A16 Bionic chip, making everything from gaming to everyday tasks incredibly smooth. This chip ensures that the phone runs efficiently, handling multiple apps and tasks without any lag. And what about the camera? Apple never disappoints. The camera system on the iPhone 15 Plus is designed to capture every moment in stunning detail. The 15 Plus features a state-of-the-art triple camera system. This system allows for a variety of shooting options, from ultra-wide to telephoto, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. It captures stunning photos and videos, even in low light. Thanks to advanced sensors and image processing, your night shots will look just as good as those taken in daylight. With features like cinematic mode and photographic styles, you'll unleash your inner photographer. These tools give you creative control, allowing you to add a professional touch to your photos and videos. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just love taking pictures, the iPhone 15 Plus has something for everyone. There's a lot to love about the iPhone 15 Plus. It's not just a phone, it's a statement of style and technology. The design is sleek and elegant, with a premium look and feel. The materials used are top-notch, making it not only beautiful but also durable. The larger screen is a dream for consuming content, whether you're watching movies or browsing social media. The vibrant colors and sharp resolution make every image pop. The performance is top-notch, thanks to the A16 Bionic chip. This powerhouse ensures that everything runs smoothly, from everyday tasks to intensive gaming sessions. Apps launch quickly, games run smoothly, and multitasking is a breeze. You can switch between apps without any lag, making your experience seamless and efficient. And of course, the camera is outstanding, capturing incredible detail and clarity in every shot. Whether it's a low-light environment or a bright sunny day, the iPhone 15 Plus delivers stunning photos every time. The advanced features like night mode and portrait mode elevate your photography to the next level. No phone is perfect, and the iPhone 15 Plus does have a few areas where it could improve. Some users have reported that the battery life, while improved, still falls short of their expectations. Others have noted that the phone can feel a bit bulky, especially for those with smaller hands. And as always, the price tag might be a barrier for some, as Apple devices are known for their premium pricing. The iPhone 15 Plus doesn't come cheap. It's a significant investment, especially compared to other smartphones on the market. However, you're paying for Apple's renowned quality, craftsmanship, and ecosystem. The iPhone 15 Plus is designed to last, with software updates for years to come. It seamlessly integrates with other Apple devices. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience and value longevity, the 15 Plus might be worth the investment. Staying ahead. The tech edge. In today's fast-paced world, technology evolves at lightning speed. Remember the days of flip phones and slow internet? Upgrading to the latest technology isn't just about having the newest gadget, it's about staying ahead of the curve. The iPhone 15 Plus, with its powerful processor, stunning display, and advanced features, ensures you're equipped for the future of mobile technology. Power up your day. Productivity boost. In today's fast-paced world, staying productive is more important than ever. Smartphones have become essential tools for productivity. They help us stay connected, organized, and efficient throughout the day. The iPhone 15 Plus takes this to the next level. With its advanced features and sleek design, it stands out as a powerful productivity tool. Its large screen provides ample space for multitasking, whether you're responding to emails, editing documents, or managing projects. The high resolution ensures clarity and ease of use. The powerful A16 Bionic chip ensures that even demanding tasks are handled with ease. This means you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag. With features like focus modes and Siri shortcuts, you can minimize distractions and optimize your workflow. Focus modes allow you to customize your notifications, ensuring you only get alerts from important contacts and apps. The iPhone 15 Plus can truly become your ultimate productivity companion. Its seamless integration with other Apple devices and services makes it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Should you take the plunge? The iPhone 15 Plus is a powerful and impressive smartphone that offers a premium user experience. It boasts a stunning display, impressive performance, and an outstanding camera. While the price might be a deterrent for some, and battery life could be better, the overall package is undeniably compelling. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone and are willing to invest, the iPhone 15 Plus is definitely worth considering. Stay connected with Tech Review Haven. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the iPhone 15 Plus. We're passionate about bringing you the latest tech reviews and insights. Be sure to subscribe to Tech Review Haven for more in-depth analyses, comparisons, and tech news. We're here to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of technology. This is not a sponsored video. We are not being paid for providing our honest review. If you're interested in the iPhone 15 Plus, check out the link in the description to make your purchase. When you buy from this link, I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your feedback motivates us to improve and create more quality content. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews.